Right, today I'm just going to show you through how you find parts for your outboard motor or stern drive engine. So we go to promptparts.co.nz, go to parts diagrams. As you'll see when you get to this page, we've got comprehensive parts lookup tables for Evinrude, Johnson, Mercury, Suzuki, VM Motori, Mercruiser stern drives and OMC stern drive systems. So let's go to an Evinrude outboard motor here. As long as you've got your engine model number. So in the case of this, I've got an E90 DPL 8 AAA. So click on there, and what that does is it takes us through to all the parts diagrams for that particular model engine. This can be found at promptparts.co.nz under parts diagrams. As you can see, it's as simple as that. If you don't have your engine model number or serial number details, just reach out to the team at promptparts.co.nz or call the sales team on 09 263 6000.